by myself. Don't wanna live all by myself.
Hello. Welcome to our show. This is Start Your Week Right with Philippine, and this is my friend Aliza, so I am not all by myself. And today we are going to show you our favorite recipes on the go.
What are you gonna make?
Okay, so I'm gonna make some oats on the go because that's one of my favorite foods to eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a vegan couscous salad that you can just put in a jar and then you can take it right with you wherever you go. Because one thing that we found very hard in our daily busyness that we're living in is actually having good meals at all times.
Yeah, I really just don't like being hungry throughout the day. I want to have something to eat, and when we have to travel and I don't know, go to work really early or stay at work late, you don't want to just buy unhealthy food on the go. You want to have something there to snack on or to eat as a full meal.
Can we take a quick note that Phil is actually standing on a piece of wood, so she's not as tiny as she actually is?
You ruined my cover.
I'm gonna join you right here.
Yeah. I just want it to be tall. It's Monday. You need all the help you can get. I'm naturally really short, so cooking when you're really short in a big kitchen like this is a little bit complicated. But anyways, so now that you blew my cover, I'm gonna get going on my oats. So first I'm gonna pour in the milk. Okay, so now we need a lot of oats without getting them everywhere. Okay, so now we are gonna put the oats in the milk. And then we're going to add some frozen berries, and it will give a really nice color to the oats. And then I will add a little bit of agave syrup.
Good. So, are you gonna stay stuck?
Okay, yep, that's it. Perfect. And I don't know if you can tell, look, it's already starting to turn like pinkish purple.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It's like unicorn oats to go.
So yeah, while your oats are cooking, do you wanna support me doing my couscous salad?
Yeah, I would love to.
Well, for my couscous, I'm gonna go with a nice combo of sweet and hearty. So I'm gonna add oranges, I'm gonna add dried tomatoes and some oil. I'm also gonna add the roasted almonds.
Now we got some parsley, which looks really nice.
Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells super good.
Yeah, it does smell good. To finish my couscous salad, I'm gonna add some salt, some pepper, and we're also gonna add some lemon juice just to make it a little more.
Ooh, that's a really good idea. So is this more of a lunch recipe for you or a dinner recipe?
This is a quick lunch recipe for me.
Okay.
Because I'll just put it in a box like this one.
Okay.
I'm also gonna add some spinach for the greens.
All right, and I'm gonna put my oats in the to-go box. We've got walnuts, a little bit of almond butter here on top.
Can I lick the spoon?
I'm not sure. Are you allowed to lick the spoon? Oh, that looks yummy.
I'm gonna finish my couscous salad.
Okay.
I bought this vegan feta at a organic store.
So I hope you have a very happy Monday and that you prep the best food possible to have a really good week.
Yes.
And thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.
Yes. That one was quite alright.
Yeah.
Bye.